So some websites just aren't going to work well with the built-in scrolling capture in Snagit. This is because of the variability of the coding of websites, right? Anyone can make a website. There are millions of people writing this code on these websites. And so trying to program the scrolling capture to read all this different code from all these different people is a tall task, to say the least. And so some websites just don't work well with our built-in scrolling. And that's not to say that you can't scroll it. That's just to say that we might have to use our alternative, which was created to kind of get around that issue that we were having where some people just weren't able to scroll capture their websites. So what you can do is open up your Snagit capture window and you just want to click selection here, change this to panoramic. And then I'm going to minimize my capture window. You can leave all of your other settings the same. The only thing we need to change is our selection. So I'll minimize this. I'll press F5 and you see you get your region selector. Most people see this and think, oh, it's not working. It is. We just need to draw the region that we're going to be scrolling stuff through. So for me, I just want the contents of the article. I don't want all this extra. So I'm just going to draw my region about there. And that's perfect. And you can see now I get this little bar. It says start. And as soon as I click start, I'm able to scroll this content. And you can see in my little preview window, this content gets longer and longer. And you get the idea here. I could go all the way through the website, but I'm not going to. I'm going to click stop. And there we go. You can see my scrolling capture succeeded. I do want to say that when we drew that region, we basically said, hey, this is where we're going to be putting stuff through. So that region is capturing everything that you slide through it, essentially. It's like the window that we're viewing this scrolling content through. And I know that panoramic is kind of a harder thing to grasp, especially when you didn't have a video to show you how to do it. So I hope this video helps kind of clarify scrolling capture and panoramic capture and which one you should be using and which one is going to be most beneficial to you.